Hello everyone, let's learn how to use LCPS SearchAssist. Before we go into how to use it, let's first learn what it is in the first place. LCPS SearchAssist is a Google Chrome extension that helps LCPS students and faculty navigate to important websites faster when searching on the Chrome browser. It is already programmed with several shortcuts to help you navigate to these resources faster. For example, if you type LCPS Go into the Chrome browser, it opens up the LCPS Go website so you can access all the apps you need. In addition, there are also other resources. For example, if you wanted to create a Google Slides presentation, you can just type G Slides into the browser and it opens up Google Slides. In addition to these resources, there are also school websites. For example, if you go to Brambleton Middle School, you can type BAM to get to the Brambleton Middle School website. If you go to Stonehill Middle School, for example, which the abbreviation is SHMS, you arrive at that website. And also note, this is not just for middle schoolers. This is also included for elementary schoolers and high schoolers as well. For example, if you type ALD into the browser, it opens up all the elementary school website. To check a full list of websites and resources, please visit the LCPS SearchAssist webpage. And to find the link to this webpage, you can go onto the description in the listing in the Chrome Web Store. Let's say you want to search for something, but you don't want a new tab to open. You can, for example, if you want to just search up LCPS Go without opening a new web page, you can put an underscore before it, and that will just search for the regular key term. And also, it does not have to be spelled exactly as it is shown on the web page. For example, you can put it in all caps and it'll still go to the same website.